Hi and welcome to my recipe recap where I'm doing a quick summary of my classic white wedding cake video. If you would like to see more details, then you can check out the full video on my channel. However, if you're short on time or just have a short attention span like I do, then this recipe recap is for you. In a large mixing bowl, I put 1 white cake mix, 2 large egg whites, 1 cup of sour cream, a half cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of almond extract, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and mixed it all together for about 2 minutes. I poured my batter into 2 9-inch round pans that I greased and floured really well, and I baked it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. For the icing, I did 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature, mixed with a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half teaspoon of almond extract, 1 pound of powdered sugar, and 4 tablespoons of milk. Since the icing is butter-based, you may need a little more milk or a little less milk depending on how cold or hot it is outside, so start with 3 tablespoons and then adjust from there as needed. This recipe is typed out in my description box in the full video so that you can refer to it as needed. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time on Boxed But Better with Jenna.